Guys, in this video, we will be learning how to find the unique elements of NumPy arrays in Python. We will be covering NumPy.unique function with one-dimensional and two-dimensional arrays. I'm using editor PyCharm and Python version 3.12 is installed on my computer. Either you have to open command prompt and you can open the terminal from PyCharm and then type in one command, that is pip install NumPy. Once NumPy library is installed on your computer, you can then start with the NumPy functions. Now let's get started with the tutorial. We have to import NumPy library first. We have to create one NumPy array quickly. Here I have taken few elements multiple times. Okay, then using NumPy unique function. Okay, here in unique function, we are expecting one array as a iterable that we will be passing on. Then we will be looking at the parameters. One dimensional array here, and I will try to get the type of result one. Will be printing elements. Unique function will return us unique element from this one dimensional array, right? That's in the program. So you can see the type of object which unique function is returning, that is the array, and elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, right? If we take two-dimensional array, so these are three rows for us, okay, and we have three columns, okay, and we'll be using the same function, unique function. Now this time we'll be passing two-dimensional array and result 2, and then we will print result 2, right? Okay, let's in the program. If you run it, so you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, right? These are the unique elements. If you have taken other element, right, in any of the row, say 2, so then you will get these elements also as unique, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 11, 12, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 11, and 12. Okay. Now let's check what is the access parameter, right? If we provide access here, access equals to 0, so it will take unique rows, right? Okay, so here we could find all rows, all columns have distinct values, but let me repeat one row again, right? Okay, if you run the program, so you will see, so 1, 2, 2, 4 is only once, right, in this output. Okay, while we have taken this row as twice, okay, here and there. So access 0 means it is checking each row, right? This one, right? If you take access as a 1, it will take columns, right? This way, right? This way it is checking unique. Okay, so if you say with axis 1, there is no such row column find which is duplicated. If you make one column as duplicated, let me take 1, 4, and 1, right? So we have made this column duplicated, okay, here, and we have taken x is equals to 1. Then if you run the program again, so you will see 1, 3, 4, 1 is not repeated twice in the output. Okay, so this is how axis work. In 0 it will check row wise, with axis 1 it will check column wise. Okay, let's see how we can use return index, right? This is a parameter in this unique function. If we make it true, we will get the indexes also with the elements which are unique, right? Here return index, if I make it true, okay, so it will give me the indexes also, return indexes, right? Result when and I have taken, I will take indexes, right? If you print the I, right, during the program, so you will get the indexes, right? Also here this unique function is returning what it is returning. It is returns the sorted unique elements of an array. There are three optional output in addition of unique element, right? Indices, input array, indices of unique array, and number of times each unique value comes up in the input array, right? In result we are getting the unique elements. In I we are getting the indexes of unique items. Okay, here if you see 0, 1, 3, 4, right? So if you take 1 in this element, 1 is very, 1 is lowest, right? And 1 is not repeated, so it took 0. Okay, then 2 2 has multiple, right? So for 2, we have one index, then we have 3. 3 is also repeated. So 3, it is 4, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's why it is 3. And we have 4, and we have index is 2, right? 0, 1, 2 as a 4. So that is how indexing of unique element works. If you want to get the inverse of the element also, so you can use argument as 2. By default, these arguments are false, which means it will take the inverse also of those elements in the program. So you will get 0, 1, 3, 2, 1, right? Means 0 means 1 is not repeated. So that is why it is taken 0. On first index, we have 2. So 2 has repeated twice, 1 and 2. So index 1, and then it has taken index 1. Okay. Let me print array also with the same thing, right? Array 1D. Let me make you understand once. Okay. So here, if you see, this is our one dimensional array that is printed, right? And this output is our return inverse, right? It is return inverse output in I, right? So here it has taken 1 is not repeated, okay, in this 1D array. So the 1 index is 0. Then for 2, it has taken the index as 1. Again, it is 1. Okay, if you make it return inverse. If you use return counts parameter, it will show you the counts of repeated item in the array, right? So now here in I, we will get the count of returns, right? If you're in the program again, so you will get, we have 4 unique items, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? In the unique item, we have 4 elements, right? In 4 elements, it has counted the repeated element also, right? One is only only once, right? In this array, one dimensional array, and 2 is twice, 2 is twice, right? 3 is also twice, and 4 is also twice. So that's why it counted the elements which are repeated in the source array. Okay, 1, 2, 2, 2. If I make one more element here, let me take 3 thrice and run the program again. So on 3 here, you see, put one more element, different element, right? 12. Okay, let me run the program again. There are unique items. How many unique items? These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at 5 index, we have only 1 because 12 is only once in this array. Make 12 two more times here, so you will get its count increase, right? 3. So this is how return counts works, okay, with unique function. So we have seen numpy.unique function. We have seen one dimensional and two dimensional arrays. We have seen their parameters also, how return index, axis, return inverse, and return counts work. Okay. That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.